Hadin bon benai ulong kenyi jangka Sneng NPP ba Didi Lapang Menteri Rang ba Kajala ba Mensua nakada ba umdon kamet kaphat ka bakwat bakya haga khatlai tarik ulami ban shimbanta haga lempung pediang sengau bahayo ba Himalaya Shang Pliang ha office jangka Sneng halu wala chumer haga jingkran balingkot kum ulong kenyi ba uri temen uba Lapang ula Sneng lakrau ye ki Nongialam bat ki dekhot jangka Sneng NPP ban long ki ba sengaurat bat pendam meladi kenang ba ublei un pun krau yaki.
Thank you very much for giving the privilege of giving some few words here. First of all, my sincere thanks to the Honorable National Leader of the party, Mr. Conrad Sangma, and looking back to the background of this family, here is the place where we got the stalwart like Conrad Sangma, who led this the national party world, and also to see that the Northeast area has been very much under the purview of the honor, glory, and to see the sunshine and the light of the world through this stalwart area. Yung sabhashibone bangyo kanikalan berpiai nga bang krensi kentin berkentin ngalaya kelanti kabajingai ngala ta kanai voice nem ngaladam menta ngala perkhat balese ngala deban somthai no dan lay don kalan menta ngasudon bungne now we don hane ki breu jongi ki bayam ye ka patri ka jongi bat kumyoro ki bayam ye ka sarkar ka jongi we don hane ki office bearers ki jonga patri ka jongi person dan song deputy chief minister also and also ye Bosco lang ibdar deputy chief minister we don rohne honorable MP jongi bahas ko tete but kumro sipon kini bang amla wajar kateng ngai kecik sisa kalong bang don hane ipoi hangan ke jaka namar ba ila have learned a lesson to see that we forget ourselves and we serve others tegane kai ka bang furkhat takane ka po ka balla yagi bagai NPP kala kiu bakal nang kiu haplan jom ke slay jom ke dap jom ke ngai ke tenjo ke challenge ki badan nakane ka rige jomi ni ya safran ginang kiu manakasi bangin naya kiu seklar ka nam Subhashibone bagito Nongialam ne all friends here from Garden Hills and from Mountain Ram especially we are thankful very much that you have decided to put the wisest suggestion to your leader HM champion to see that he has chosen the way that he can lead along with you, and I hope that with the leader that the champion is there, he'll lead you to the top of the hill and you'll see the sunshine and the horizon of the thing. You can really see that one day Mountain Ram will also one of the big leaders of the state and also of the nation. I complain ya di barok hai bangai scam bagane ke jidon jumi hangne dan keren yang batai begini ai nanaya pikat bayar ko buruk temen tong in pendam regular de kenang boblei penok krau yang batong in perkat ba in perkat ya de in perli lakan pari I complain to everybody, friends from Garden, friends from all sides of the side. We are here together. We'll climb the hill, we'll take the challenge, and we'll not forget. We'll see that we'll strive, we must survive, and we'll succeed beautifully after we have our decision. Kublai Shibon, Ublai Kurkuing Ibara.